Hi everyone. In this short video, I am going to show you the top 2 free high-resolution photo websites. No copyright and no watermark needed. So the first one is Unsplash. You just go to unsplash.com. And as I scroll down, you can see really fantastic, the most amazing photos. All right, all for free. Okay, the other one is Pixabay. Again, pixabay.com. And by the way, I have added these two URLs to the description below. Okay, so it says here, stunning free images and royalty-free stock. Indeed, these are equally beautiful, magnificent images. Okay, all right, so on the next video, I am going to show you how to add images to WordPress blog posts and pages. So in other words, I'm going to show you how to add a featured image onto your blog posts and pages, and how to add one or more images onto your blog posts and pages. If this video was helpful, would you please give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and cheers.